Good morning. Have a nice day today. So again, wah, saram maram. Again, arasa. Magkano yun? Ano? Gano'n po kayo sa bawang? 25. 3. 135. We need to buy chicken. Oh, okay. Fresh na. There also is. Oh, sarap mo. Very fresh.
We only like
How many?
what small.
Small? How many pieces?
Magkano po?
Magkano ito? 40.
240.
How many?
10.
Okay, bigger. Huh?
괜찮아요.
Ayo.
Magkano kalahati? Ito po. Sige na lang.
Kurigo.
Hi, may lapu-lapu. Salay-salay na.
Salay. Salay.
전어.
맛있겠다.
전어.
왜? 이렇게 이거 very masarap. 이거 isang kilo na po yan, no?
Opo, ma'am.
500 1 kilo. Half kilo is 250 lang. Ikaw mo yan, Korean.
그렇네.
Tinatandaan niyo kasi pag kailangan konti lang po, konti lang sa mga nilang ganyan. Chicken, red chili powder, soy sauce, cooking wine, seasoned salt, sugar, black pepper, chopped garlic, carrot, potato, onion, mushroom, shiitake mushroom, gochujang, doenjang, spring onion.
First, wash the chicken with water to remove impurities. Remove any excess chicken fat as well. Add some cooking wine to remove the gamey smell from the chicken, then let it sit for 20 minutes. Slice the shiitake mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Cut the carrots into bite-sized pieces. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Cut the onions into bite-sized pieces. Add doenjang 2 tea. Add gochujang 1 tea. Add sugar 1 tea. Mix it well. Put the chicken in the pot, aged for 20 minutes in the cooking wine. Add seasoned salt 1.5 tea. Add black pepper 1 tea. Heat the chicken over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes until oil comes out. Add 8 spoons of soy sauce evenly. Add sugar 3 tea. Add chopped garlic 1 tea. Add as many spring onions as you want. Add red pepper powder 4 tea. Add water 1 liter. Put in all the ssamjang that you made in advance. Cover the pot and simmer over medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add all the vegetables you prepared earlier. Add the vegetables carefully so they don't get overcooked in the broth. Mix the broth and vegetables well. Cover the pot and simmer over medium heat for 20 minutes. Finally, add the chives. This is optional. It's cooked deliciously.
Let's enjoy the food! Thanks for watching!